Praise God, and welcome everyone to another episode of the Apostolic Succession. CCC 880. When Christ instituted the 12, he constituted them in the form of a college or a permanent assembly, at the head of which he placed Peter, chosen from among them. Just as by the Lord's institution, St. Peter and the rest of the apostles constitute a single apostolic college, so in like fashion the Roman Pontiff, Peter's successor, and the bishops and the successors of the apostles are related with and united to one another. Today we hear about the 206th Pope in the Apostolic Succession, that is, Pope Martin V. He was born as Oddone Colonna in 1368. He ascended to the papacy in 1417, marking the end of the Western Schism. A few facts. Oddone Colonna was born sometime between 26th of January and 20th of February 1369. He studied law at the University of Pavia. At a young age, he became a protonotary of the Curia. In 1405, he became a cardinal deacon of San Georgio in Velabro, named by Pope Innocent VII. On the 11th of November 1417, Oddone Colonna was elected at the Council of Constance after a long discussion on the electoral procedure, in which 22 cardinals and 30 deputies from the 5 nations participating in the council voted. He was ordained a priest, consecrated a bishop, and crowned a pope in 3 days, taking the name of Martin V. The council closed in May 1418. His papacy. After decades of division, uncertainty, and strife, his election at the Council of Constance marked a turning point in the Catholic Church history and the beginning of a new period of reform and unification. Martin made his way slowly to Rome in 1420 and set about rehabilitating the city and the Papal States. His chief concern was the consolidation of the restored church's unity and the papal prestige. To this end, he made concordats with various rulers. More significant was his denunciation of the concile theory that councils are supreme in the Church, that had gained wide following as Pisa and Constance. Nevertheless, he followed the wishes of the last council and summoned a new one. This was led at Pavia 1423 and then moved to Siena and accomplished nothing. Martin dissolved it in 1424 and summoned a council for 1431 to meet at the Basil. On February 20th, 1431, shortly before the council was to meet, he died. Eugene IV succeeded Martin. Thank you all for supporting and listening, and please stay tuned for our next episode. And please like and share and spread the good news to all those around you. For Christ and for the Church, may God bless you.